Hello guys, welcome back to the another lecture and this is the part 8 and this is your friend Shivansh और ये है आपका favorite channel Tech SPR. So in this video we are gonna take forward and make something more screens for our e-commerce app और अभी तक अपन ने जितना बना लिया है वो आपकी स्क्रीन पे शो कर रहा हूँ मैं. We have made login screen, we have made home screen, then favorite category screen, then we also made a search screen, then we also made a profile screen. So what we are gonna make today is add to cart screen. So basically in this screen what we are doing, we'll be making the whole UI of how to, like when we click on this icon, any tile, it will be navigated to a screen which will be having a whole details about what is the shoe about. So let's start with the video. So let's go to our VS Code. I think this video will be a little more big because this will be in this video we'll be creating uh, details about the tile. So let's make a new file named as detail item dot perfect, and let's make it a stateful widget. Let's wait until it comes stateful widget, and the name will be detail item. Perfect. Let's import some of the things and let's start designing. First of all, let's set the navigation because it is also important. So what we'll be doing, just copying this on tap and going to our home screen, and in this home screen what we can do is in this item, in this padding, uh, we'll add a widget named as inkwell. Inside inkwell we'll be using on tap. On tap we'll be using this, and I think we cannot create it here because it's not it's an internal widget, that's why, so we have to make it manually. So go to home screen again. In this item we'll be making a inkwell. After that, calling on tap. Inside on tap we'll be pasting this and replacing this to d detailed item. Perfect. Let's refresh and try to see is it is going there or not. Let's try to give some of the properties over here also, like for example changing this to scaffold and giving this a background color of white. Perfect. Let's refresh and reload the whole app. Let's navigate through it, and yeah, you can see we navigated to this screen. Perfect. So now what we have to do, we have to make the whole design for it. So for that, what we'll be doing is making a screen. So let's start with designing. So first of all, this will create one app bar. So in app bar we'll be making an app bar. Inside app bar what we'll be giving a title, Title will be the name of this, obviously. So title will be the text. All the data will be coming from previous screen, but for now we are making it static, because when we will be integrating the API, then we'll be fixing all the things, because you will be understanding how the API is integrated. So for this, let's go to the home screen only and copy the name of the shoe, and the design will be similar to the other items what we made over here, like this only. Let's copy this only. Perfect. Remove this, import this, and remove this. And another things, we'll be using center title, which is as true. Let's refresh it, and you can see the Air Nike Max came to your screen. Perfect. And the other thing what we will be doing is giving it a background color of white. Perfect. I think you can see the app on your screen. Yeah. And refresh it. Yes. And then we'll be giving a leading, which is a icon of icons dot back arrow, I think, arrow backwards. We can use this one with rounded corners. Let's restart. Perfect. So yeah, we have made this also, and we can change it to the icon button. Inside icon button, here we can pass that, and on pressed we'll be writing the function for going back afterwards. Perfect. So let's load it and make it a little larger, or just make the size more smaller, then giving it as 15. I think this is good, or a little 80. Yeah. So this is our app bar, and what we can add, we can also add one more thing, which is action elevation. If you want that it should be more like above from the height, so we can give that also. So these are the multiple parameters that you can give. Bottom for adding a tab bar and all. Perfect. So we have did it till now, and what we now want a body, a bar. We want a body. In the body, we'll be using a column. In the column, we'll be calling our children, and then calling our image. So for image also, we'll be referring to this, and copying this, coming here, pasting this. Let's restart. Yeah, the whole thing came into our screen. We can pad this with 20 for now. Yeah, it looks good. It looks perfect. And what we can do is currently it's good. I think we can remove this from here. Only Nike sports shoes will give. Perfect. And I think perfect. And below this, we'll be giving another text with Nike Air Max. With refreshing it, I think there is an error. Refreshing it. Oh, I think we pasted it wrong. It will be. Oh, it should be here only. Yeah, perfect. Air Max. Refresh it. I think we lost the collection with our device, so let's wait until it's building and add some more things. We'll be next adding a row. For row, what we can do, we can make a little columns like structure or like container like structure where a user can select the sizes of height 40, comma width 40, or decoration of box decoration of border radius of all of circular 20 and of color black. Okay, first let's format this. Okay, with color black. Perfect. Let's reload and go to the screens. Perfect. We came here. I think it should be square. Let's make it a little less. Perfect. This is what I want. We can also increase the size by 10 bits. Yeah, perfect. This is what I want. So what we'll be doing now, making this column as a cross axis alignment to start. Perfect. Everything come here, giving a size box of height 20 and again a height 20. Perfect. I think there will be another text. Select size. Select size. Perfect. Another height 20. In this row, what will be giving? A row with again a text. Size chart. Size chart with this in the row of icon. Of icons, comma, scale, think a ruler, just give a scale only and just give this, refresh it. Perfect. Make this there. Main axis alignment as space between them. Perfect. Refresh it. login, tab, size chart. Oh, I think we have put it this. Yeah, perfect. This was what I want. What we can do is not make it bold, just give it as 500. Give it as 500. Refresh it. Perfect. In this between, I want a little gap. Size box of width 5, which is a perfect size. Refresh it. Or let's give it a 10 for more clarification. Perfect. And let's name Nike more like good name. So you can refer to the Nike website and literally uh, copy everything, because like this. This is just for example, but you can refer to the Nike website and try it by yourself. I think you are not seeing my screen. So let me fix that first. Oh, now it is visible. Perfect. So you can always refer to the website of Nike and get the things about that. And make your own designs. What we can do, make this again one with 10 only, not much, and giving this, making the size little larger with 20, refreshing it. Yeah, this is perfect what I want. And the another thing what we want is MRP and size also, because it is also very important. Again copy this MRP, which will be again as a 16, and here MRP of 1388. Refresh it. Perfect. It will not be in bold. Let's make it 500 only. Perfect. And below this, again some things like included all the text and all. This will literally look more genuine other than different things. Remove that. So I'm copying all this from Nike website just for the reference only purpose. Refresh it. Yeah, include all, like make it little darker. 38. Perfect. Now it's visible. And for sizes, what we want, I think I should make this little more less because it should be clubbed with all. Perfect. Perfect. Now let's design for sizes. I think I should make this container more. 1, 2 with a comma, with a comma, 3, 4. Refresh it. Yeah, but forgot it to give size box. Let's take from here only. Think we have given somewhere this only. Paste it. Paste it. paste it, paste it, refresh. Yeah, perfect. And here what we want is inside a number of, right? I should be pasting number also. This only child, this, removing this, giving a number here as 8 and making it 5 and making this at a center. Perfect. Good. Now what we can do, we can make a widget of this. Obviously we will be typing all this for multiple times. Widget size item, inside which string s with written this, remove this with s, put a colon here and use this item size everywhere, remove this container. So this is how you make your code more smaller and more readable. Pasting this with 8, I think it's, refresh it, yes, 7, I think 8, then 9, then 10, 7. The only thing is left, we want a padding between them. So we can add a padding with only, we only want for a left side with a 10. Yeah, diff, or make it a right. Yes, now perfect. I think we can remove some of the things. It got overflow. And size chart also, I think it's a bit more. Remove this. Perfect. Refresh it. Yeah. We have given size chart also. And what more we can add is the summary about it, all the things. For summary, what we'll be doing after this, making one row below, inside this, copying this text, pasting this here, and copying the whole summary from the website and pasting it here. Perfect. Refresh it. I think again we lost the connection with device. I think you can see in my screen. Yeah, perfect. Let's try to rebuild this again. Wait till we see the changes. But what we can do, uh, first of all, put this in the single child scroll view, else it will give a perfect. And the other thing what we have to add, just a little more thing. Login. Perfect. Refresh it. We just added this. So now you can see the summary about the item also. Perfect. I think we have given a lot of space over here. Make it as 10 only. Okay, perfect. We have, so the other thing what we have to add is I think more details about the shoe and all. And we can add one more thing, more details about that. So in the text only, because images are the core for this. Listing this is giving marketed by and company origin is more important. Okay, refreshing it. We got this also. Other thing we are lagging is including more images for this. So what we can do, uh, copy this clip react, making a row here. Inside a row we'll be making a children. In the children we are again copying this and putting this inside a container. In the container we'll be giving some of the heights to it, for example 100 and width 100, comma here. Let's refresh it. Yeah, perfect. That's what I want. Putting another this here, refresh. Perfect. So this is what I want, and I think I can increase a little more. It is not visible. Hmm, decrease a little. Perfect. This is a perfect size. Put this some type of container more. I just want a three container. How much it takes? Again a three. Hmm. With size box of height, not height, width 5. I think 5 is fine. Yeah, yeah, 5 is fine. Copy and paste it again. Okay. The only thing is we have made more space over here, but we should be giving it as a 10 because this will give us. I know it will give render flex, but this should be important. Perfect, or remove everything. We can put a main axis alignment of space between them. Remove all these. Refresh. This is more perfect. Size box everywhere, and here you can increase this also. Perfect. So yes, you can see that in your screen. It is looking quite good. but still it is not. Again we have to build it. I don't know what's happening currently. The wire connection is kind of loose there. Wait for a while. Let it build. It's a big only. Make 20. Perfect. So this is how it looks. The only thing which is left is to add one thing which is known as uh, the icon where everything will be there. So what we can do is add a button over here similar to that in the login screen what we made. Similar to this custom button below text. Perfect. Remove this. Buy now with a text of 20. I think I should also change this black color to the color of buy now, or the whole buy now with the color of black, cause it is looking more good. Well, let's try to just see how it looks. Removing this gradient or commenting this and making the color black. Colors dot black. Refresh it. Yeah. Let's go to the back screen or just try to rebuild the app and see what the changes are made. So I think this is for today, guys. We have made the detail screen of the app, and now what we are going is to continue the series in the next lecture. And in the next lecture, we'll be designing the card screen, and you can see what we made till now. I don't know why the color is not changed yet. I think it is not saved. Save everything. Okay. And the color I changed is also not saved, I think. Perfect. Try to rebuild again, and till then what we can do is just put everything in the GitHub. So putting in GitHub, we'll be using git add dot and then git commit /m, giving added detail item screen. So this is how you manage your GitHub and code also. Perfect. We pulled it to GitHub, and then we'll be using push command. Perfect. So let's stop this process. The command is pushed and run it the app from starting and see how the app looks. So all the code is updated on a GitHub. So you can go for the link in description and check for the code if you want. And this is for today, guys. I think the video is little longer. So if you like the video and got the knowledge, so please make sure you like and subscribe the channel. And if you want us to make your projects, you can also ping us with a number in the description. So thank you for watching. Let's just at the last watch the flow of the app, how it looks. Perfect. I think it's look more professional now. Perfect. What do you think? Perfect. Perfect with black. So this is what we made today. The whole detail screen. Perfect. So thank you for watching. Have a nice day.